Meaning of discolour.
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 Discolour. The word discolour means to change the original color of something and make it appear faded or uneven. For example, exposure to sunlight can cause clothes to discolor over time, losing their vibrancy and becoming dull. Discoloration can also occur due to chemical reactions or aging. The result of discoloration is a visual alteration of the object's appearance, where it no longer looks the same as it did before. This can lead to a loss of value or aesthetic appeal in items such as artwork, furniture, or textiles.